Let me tell you about the life I live, right? Better known as the baller life. Let's not. I'm all about my baller status, just doing it big on a daily basis, like cruising in my car, chilling at the bar.
What's up, YouTube? This is James from Ballin' on a Budget Auto. So I'm back with you again regarding the Volkswagen EPC Light issue. So I already have one video out that's called EPC Light Diagnosis. Once I posted that video, I had received a great deal of positive feedback regarding it. And I am greatly appreciative, guys. I love my supporters. I love my subscribers. This has turned out to be such an amazing pastime. You know, just like my career in nursing, I love having the opportunity to help people. And through YouTube, I've been able to extend that opportunity. This has been an amazing experience, guys. I'm gonna stick around, but there is so much negativity. So those of you who have an active channel where you're posting videos on YouTube, or even y'all that comment and use YouTube frequently, you already know that there's a lot of negativity on YouTube. So here I am back. I'm gonna bring you another video, or let's say another installment of the EPC Light issue. I'm gonna, be professional with this. Here's a second installment of the EPC Light Diagnosis. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk through it. Now, you might be wondering, is my car acting up? No, it is not. The EPC Light issue has been resolved. It has been okay ever since the start. So with this second installment, we're gonna have a walkthrough that covers the common problems that may cause an EPC Light issue, because someone, I'm not gonna name names or anything, had said that the original title of the first video was false and that I did not diagnose one damn thing. But that's more power to him. But I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna give you some more detailed stuff on this video here today. Now, I mean, let's throw a little shade here. Here, see this comment right here. All right, Ruben. This video today is for you, and I hope you tune in, because this is gonna be for you, man. This is for you. This video is for you, my man. Now, for my wonderful subscribers and those who continue to tune into my channel, don't get it twisted. This video is also for you guys. I am here to help. This video is only out here to help you guys, and I appreciate all the amazing feedback that you guys have been giving me. So I hope this video will be helpful and further answer the questions you might have regarding the Volkswagen EPC Light issue. So with that being said, and all shade to the side, let's go ahead and get started and show you guys what the common issues of an EPC Light issue are. We're gonna have to start by taking off this engine cover. So that's gonna require us to twist off the oil cap, unscrew our filter housing, and disconnect this clamp right here. So in order to remove the filter housing, this Volkswagen requires a T25 Torx. And then there's another one on the other side. Now we should be able to disconnect our filter housing there. And then we're gonna go ahead and disconnect this clamp from the mass airflow sensor. I just like to use regular pliers. Go ahead and wiggle that down. Now we're going to disconnect the oil cap. Now pulling on this, it's on there pretty good. Got to start by taking off this cover, as I said. So there was 2 screws here. We had to unclamp the mass airflow. We had to take off the cap. And the one thing that was super hard to get this case off was that these are actually held in by grommets. See these? 2 in the front and then 2 in the back. So you got to use 2 hands on this corner, pull it up, 2 hands in the back corner, pull it up, and then 2 hands on this corner. All right, let's go ahead and get in this back corner, which I'm assuming it's right around here. Oh, wow. All right, there we go. Now we can go ahead and take this cover out of the way. Now with our engine cover off, I'm going to show you the location of the brake light switch. Might be a little difficult to reach it from this angle. Underneath the master cylinder, you have your brake light switch right there. It's held in by 1 T30 Torx bolt. So this is what the part will look like as soon as you take it out. As you can see, it's just got a single T30 Torx bolt and the place where the wire harness connects. But another good idea would be to take out your battery and gaining access underneath the master cylinder right there. This is actually not the only type of brake light switch that a Volkswagen may have. There are a few other different models that are underneath the actual driver's side of the dash. As you can see, there's 3 different models here. All of them here, you just twist them counterclockwise, pull them out, and then disconnect the wire harness. And another common issue is our camshaft position sensor right here. All you have to do is take off this wire harness, and then it's held in by a T30 Torx bolt as well. And then as seen in my previous video, this is our electronic throttle body. That's what I had to switch out for my EPC Light issue. So if you'd like to see a detailed video of how I switched out this electronic throttle body, go ahead and check out my first EPC diagnosis video in the link below. And then going to the inside of the car. Going underneath the driver's side, we have our acceleration pedal. And this is actually held in by 1 bolt. All you gotta do is pop this out. So after taking off that cap, it's actually just held in by 1 bolt, which is a T30 Torx bolt. And then after pulling out this entire accelerator pedal, you just pull out the harness and replace it with a brand new one. And then lastly, we have our crankshaft position sensor, which is located just right here. Goes all the way up. I'll show you where the connection is. The crankshaft position sensor connection is just right here, right next to the oil filter housing. And on the inside is where the crankshaft position sensor is held in by 2 5mm Allen bolts. Let's see if we can get a good look. Alright, so after this video regarding the most common issues with an EPC light, I hope that this had answered some of your guys' questions and also allowed for you to resolve any issues you might have with your car at this time. So this does not cover all the possible issues that might cause an EPC light issue. So if you're down in the comments, I'm gonna do my best to help you resolve your EPC light. So honestly, it can be anything that has the potential to affect the car's performance and throws alternative values that are outside of the parameters that are set by the car's computer. Honestly, the best that I can do is at least give you a few of the most common issues that might cause an EPC light to show up in your Volkswagen. So I hope that this video was helpful. If so, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already a subscriber, consider subscribing so you can see the latest content from Ballin' on a Budget Auto. Alright guys, stay tuned. I hope this video was helpful. If so, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing so you can see more content from Ballin' on a Budget Auto.